video, we will be going over New Look 6202 UA dress. So let's get started. Here are all the materials you'll need to complete for View A dress. Let's go over the pieces for the dress. Piece number 1, front bodice, cut 1. Piece number 2, back bodice, cut 1 on the fold. Piece number 3, back elastic guide, cut 1. Piece number 4, back straps, cut 4. Piece number 5, front facing, cut 1 on the fold, cut 1 of inner facing. Piece number 6, skirt front and back, cut 2 on the fold. Piece number 7, skirt side front and back, cut 4. Piece number 8, tie belt, cut 2. Go to the iron and fuse the facing to the front facing. Stay stitch the front and back bodice neck edge and the waist edge of the front and back skirt, and also the side front and back skirt. Take the front bodice, make sure you mark or trace the flower. Go ahead and pin the trim onto the bodice to make the flower. I went ahead and pinned the trim off camera, and this is what it looks like. Go ahead and sew on the trim. Here how the front bodice is looking. It's starting to look very nice. Don't forget to sew on the button in the middle of the flower. Go ahead and grab the back bodice to make the casing. Press 1/4 from the raw edge and again 5/8. Sew the casing in place. Now grab the elastic and insert the elastic into the casing. The back bodice should be looking like this. Make sure you're overlocking the side seams and the shoulder seams. Take the front bodice with right sides together, sew the side seam until you see the dot. Give the side seam a nice press. Moving on to the back straps, with right sides together, pin the straps by leaving the ends open. Go and sew the back straps together. Turn the straps right side out. Give the straps a nice press. The front bodice is looking like this at the moment. Pin the back straps to the shoulder seams by matching the notch. Sew the back straps in place. Grab the front facing and pin the front facing to the front bodice. Go and sew the armholes, the shoulder seams, and the neck edge until you see the dots. Snip the curves of the armholes and the neck edge and trim off the corners of the shoulder seams. Make sure not to snip through the stitching. Turn the facing to the inside by pulling out the straps. Now give it a press. Grab the skirt front and back and pin them to the two sides front and back. Go and sew them in place. With right sides together, sew the skirt front to the back on the right side seam, but on the left side seam, sew until you see the notch. Go and press open the seams. Grab the bodice and the skirt with right sides together. Pin the waist seams together. Sew the waist seam in place. Grab the back straps by matching the dots on the back bodice. Sew the back straps in place. Moving on to the zipper, pin the zipper to the side seam. There are many ways to sew on the zipper. Find a way that is more suitable for you. Go and sew the zipper in place. The zipper is nicely sewn in place. Moving on to the hem, fold the raw edge 1/4 and again 1/4. Sew the hem in place. Give your hem a nice press. Moving on to the belt, with right sides together, pin the belt seams together. Go and sew the seam in place. Press open the seam. Fold the belt with right sides together by pinning the belt. Make sure to leave an opening. Sew the belt in place. Trim off some of the seams and corners. Give the belt a nice press. Stitch the opening closed. Here is the final results for View A dress. My daughters look so beautiful in these dresses. My youngest daughter had graduated from Head Start and I wanted to do something for my daughters to look nice for the event. If you're looking for a dress to make for special events, New Look 6202 would be a great look. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.